Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. In penetration testing, one of the initial stages is gathering information or reconnaissance, and there's different tools that can be used for that purpose. So I'm just going to be talking about one of the easy to use tools, and the name of the tool is the Dmitry. So in order to get to the tool, in Kali Linux, there's two ways to get to it. You can go under applications and then go to information gathering. And this is the tool right here, Dmitry. Just click on it and that should open the terminal for you, and the tool is listed here. So this is the tool and these are the options. So that's the first way to get to it. Another way to get to it is just to type in Dmitry from the terminal. And when you type the command, it gives you the different options that the tool has. For instance, here you have an option for generating an output in form of a text file. And then there's an option for gathering just information related to who is. There's also there's also an option for retrieving possible subdomains. The S option, the E option for emails, the P option for port scan. So there's different ways you can go about it when you're running the tool. You can just use one of the options. For instance, we can do, you can try and see if you can gather who is information. In that case, we're just using -I here for this. Then you have to put in the host. So we're going with let's say CNN.com. If you press enter, this normally should give you information related to who the domain is registered to, the name servers and contact information. That would normally be retrieved by that command. Another way to run this command is you can combine multiple options in one line, and then you can also send this to like an output text file. So whatever output you get after running that command can be saved into a file. So we'll see what command you can use for that. So again, you just type in Dmitry. In this case, instead of using just one option, we'll put multiple options. So we'll use the -I. I'll just bring back that the options so we can look at them. So -I for the who is information, the N for gathering the netcraft.com information, the S here for searching possible subdomains. We use E to search for possible email addresses, and then we can also put P to scan for ports. Okay, we'll go ahead and specify that we want to send the output to a file. So you use a -O, then we'll put the name of the file here. So we'll call it hack this site.txt text file. Then you have to specify the domain or the IP address. So we'll go to hack this site.org. And right away, it's going to run this command and try and gather information for us. So at this point, we see it gathered some information related to who he is. So it gives you the name here, when it was created, addresses here, when it was last modified, then the source. So there's a bunch of information here that you can see that it pulled from who is. And then if you go down further, let's see what else we have here. Netgraph information. We don't see much from there. Then there's subdomain information. And then there's email information. So in this case, we found 0 emails. So it didn't get any emails. And it looks like it's scanning for ports. And this is taking a while here. So we'll pause it and I'll pause the video while I wait for the port scan. So the port scan was taking a while, and I wasn't seeing any information being received for this specific host. So we'll go ahead and see if there's anything that was saved into the file that we specified. So one way to do that is just to you can do the ls command here that will list the contents of the directory, and the file that was generated is this one right here. So we can view the contents using the cat command. So cat hack site.txt. Okay, so cat this site. So as you can see here, all the information that was pulled from running that command is listed in that file. So that's pretty much it as far as using the command. I mean, there's a lot of information you can gather from a host, a domain, or from an IP address, depending on what you're looking for. Like I said, it's a quick way to gather information that can be useful for your penetration testing. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys again in my next video.